Good morning, dear students. Welcome to online class. As you know that tomorrow is your online periodic test, and this test is very important for you because marks of this test will keep in record. So today in this video I want to discuss some important things from chapter 1 to chapter 3, because chapter 1 to chapter 3, that is your portion in EVS. So without wasting much time, let's begin. Chapter 1. Chapter 1 is more about me. In this chapter you read what you can or you cannot. Like you can brush your teeth, yes. Drive a car, no. Ride a cycle, yes. Like this. This is also important here, that count and write the number of these body parts. Eyes, how many eyes do you have? 2. How many nose do you have? 1. Ears, 2. Hands, you are having 2 hands. Fingers on each hand, 5. Legs, 2. Toes on each foot, 5. Name the body part which rhymes with the given words. South. The rhyming word of south is mouth. The rhyming word should be your body part's name. So, south, mouth. Band, hand. Rose, nose. Rest, chest. Check, neck. Dumb, thumb. Pin, chin. Worm, arm. So, these are the body parts and rhyming word. See, read this also. Okay. Rahul walks with his legs and feet. How Rahul walks? With his legs and feet. Rahul jumps with his legs and feet. Rahul kicks a ball with his legs and feet. Encircle the odd one out. Hand, arm, elbow, fingers, bangle. Which one odd? Bangle is odd. So you encircle bangle. Thigh, shoe, knee, foot, toe. Which one odd? Odd means अलग कौन है? जो अलग है, जो different है, उसको circle करना है. Okay? In chapter 1, there are 3 question answers. 5 sentences on myself. You write what makes us look different from each other. What makes us look different from each other? The answer is we look different from each other because of the difference in shape, size or color of our body parts. So, we look different because of the difference in shape, size or color of our body parts. Next question. What do you do with your legs and feet? What do you do with your legs and feet? We walk, jump, run with our legs and feet. What do you do with your hands and finger? We eat, write, and hold things with our hands and fingers. Now, chapter 2. More on personal cleanliness and good habits. You read, we brush our teeth twice a day. We wash our mouth after every meal. We take a bath daily. We wear clean and ironed clothes. We comb our hair neatly. We oil our hair regularly. Product and brand name. Toothpaste. What is the brand name of toothpaste? Colgate. The answer may be variable. Maybe it will change. आप इसको चेंज करके भी लिख सकते हो. टूथपेस्ट का ब्रांड नेम आप कोलगेट के प्लेस में कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं, लाइक पेप्सोडेंट, ओरल बी, Which toothpaste you are using, you can write the brand name of that toothpaste, no problem. Bath soap, Dove. Here Dove has written, you can write Lux, Dettol, Margot, any soap. Hair oil, Amla, shampoo, Clinic Plus, toothbrush, Oral-B, like this. This is also important. I make your teeth shining bright. So the answer is toothpaste. Toothpaste make your teeth shining bright. You use me while taking bath. Soap. I trim your nails. Nail cutter. I make your hair healthy and not let them be rough. Hair oil. I help when you cough or sneeze. Hanky. I brush my teeth twice daily. Is it good? Yes, it is good. I clean my nose with my sleeves. Bad. You should not clean your nose with your sleeves. You should use hanky. I wash my hands before and after a meal. This is good. Chapter 3. Our food. This chapter will also come. So, why do you eat food? We eat food to live and to grow. Food gives us energy. Food keeps us healthy and makes us strong. From plants, what products we get? From plants, we get grains, pulses, fruits and vegetables. Nuts. Example of nuts are peanuts, almond, cashew nut, walnut. Oils. We get oil from plants. This is plant product. Food we get from animals. Cow, buffalo, goat. These animals give us milk. Milk is used to make curd, butter, cheese, kheer, ice cream, etc. Eggs, chicken, mutton and fish. These are the animal product from animals. Which food item we get? Eggs, chicken, mutton, fish. A person who eats food that comes from plants and milk product is called vegetarian. A person who eats food that comes from plants and milk product, that is called vegetarian. A person who eats meat of animal is called non-vegetarian. To remain healthy, we should avoid eating uncovered food, spicy fried food, food from roadside hawker, जंक फूड, टू मैनी स्वीट्स. ये सब नहीं खाना चाहिए. अगर आप हेल्दी रहना चाहते हैं तो आप ये सब अवॉइड कीजिए. ये सब बहुत कम खाइए. राइट द नेम ऑफ एनी 5 फूड आइटम्स विच वी मेक फ्रॉम मिल्क. मिल्क से क्या क्या बनता है? खीर, घी, बटर, कर्ड, चीज़. दीज आर मिल्क प्रोडक्ट. Food we get from plants are fruits, vegetables, nuts. Food we get from animals, eggs, chicken, fish. Question answers I have given already. You check it in your notebook and you learn. Thank you.